Hey y'all, hey! Do you want to see how much I was able to make from apps in the month of March? If you do, stay tuned. It's D. So, yeah, y'all, I will be going over how much I was able to make in March from apps. Alrighty, so let's get into my side income budget and let's see what I was able to make for the month of March. So this is from my budgeting and savings planner that I do have available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop if you're interested in this. We'll be going over the income section, and for my side income, I never know how much I'm going to get, so I never budget anything. I have several sources of side income currently, and I use those to help bridge a gap between my income if I need it to pay my bills, to get ahead. I also use it to save and invest, so it just depends on what I need that month, and that is where I allocate my side income. So if you're new here, I do sell books on Amazon, also an Amazon affiliate. So if you ever click any of the links I have down below and make a purchase within 24 hours of that purchase, I will get a small commission. So from Amazon this month, I was able to make a total of $2.56, and that came from my book sale. So thank you for those who have been supporting my books. I do have a total of 6 books available. Also, I will have a video coming out real soon going over the 6 books that I do have, so stay tuned for that. From apps, and this is just the cash equivalents that I was able to cash out with PayPal, and I will be going over the gift cards and the cash in just a little bit at the end of my budget with me. So for apps this month, I was able to make a total of $64.05. $64.05 came from CoinOut, which is an app where you scan receipts. Then Swagbucks, I will insert a screenshot. I was able to cash out twice with Swagbucks, and on that app you can do a variety of things and surveys, make an online purchase, scan receipts, and what have you. And I did want to thank the person who did sign up for Swagbucks using my referral that is always linked down below. And that really did help, because the surveys was a little bit lower this month on Swagbucks. But thank you so much from that. I did also cash out from Surveys on the Go, and I did cash out with an app called My Points, and it is similar to Swagbucks. And yeah, y'all, that is how I got my $64.05. I did do quite a bit of this month as usual. And yeah, for my Buy Me a Coffee, which is BMC, and that is my platform where I sell my digital products. I have some physical products on there. I have some different financial analysis on there. Make a donation on that platform. So on that platform, I was able to make a total of $1.90. I was not able to bring anything from Etsy and nothing from YouTube. So let's see how much I was able to acquire in the month of March. So 2.56 plus 64.05 plus 1.90 equals a total of $68.51. Now let's go to my bill section, and this section is used to make some extra payments towards my mortgage and or my utilities. This is not used to pay the full amount of these bills. So for this month, I will be allocating a total of $10 to my principal payment on my mortgage. Is it for this section. So this section equals a total of 10. I did have a total of $68.51 to budget, and I'm going to subtract $10 from that, and a total of $58.51 left to budget. Let's go down here to my expenses section, and I will be adding a line, and that is for medical. So for this section, I will be adding a total of $10 to my medical. And this is just to get my medical special fund to the balance that I wanted to get for the year of 2024. So this section equals a total of 10, and I had a total of 58.51 left over, and subtract that from 10, and that's easy. $48.51 left to budget. Getting down to my savings and investing section, and nothing will be going towards renovation. Nothing will be going towards car repairs. And today I'll be allocating a total of 5 cents to my Treat Yourself account. It's D, and this is the saving account that I use to fund and pay for expenses related to my It's D brand. It will be getting a total of $4.46. And lastly, challenges, which is saving challenges, will be getting a total of $44. And you will see those videos coming up here soon on my channel. So 0.05 plus 4.46 plus $44 equals a total of $48.51, and that is what I had left over. I do like to do a zero-based budget, and this is just a personal preference on how I like to budget all of my incomes. If you ever have any questions about what I'm doing, just let me know and I will get back with you. Okay, so down here is the breakdown section, so I can double check my math and make sure I actually do have a zero-based budget. Income, as I stated, I made a total of $68.51. In the bill section, I made an extra principal payment towards my mortgage, and I'm very, very grateful for that. I will link up above my debt confession and my mortgage payoff update video that I just released last week, so that will be up above if you're interested in that. And I was able to reach my goal in my medical special fund, i.e. sinking fund, by adding an additional $10. And also, I am able to save money for my saving challenges, my Treat Yourself account, and my It's D brand, and that was a total of $48.51. So this is going to be real easy to add up and do without the calculator. So it's 48, 58, 68, and that is what I had left over, which was $0. So on my channel, I do share this monthly how much money that I make with apps and with my other side incomes. And I appreciate everybody who has been engaging with me on these videos and who have signed up using one or two of the referral links that I always have linked down below. I am a firm believer in making extra cash when you can legally. And thanks to these different apps, by doing simple surveys, scanning receipts, what have you, I was able to make an extra mortgage payment, finish out my goal for my special fund, and save some too. So y'all, these apps really do work, and they're not really hard tasks. I will link up above the video showing how much I made in apps in the year of 2023, and I will tell you it was over $1,000. So don't knock the apps. Like I said, if you ever have any questions, just let me know. Now let's get into the total extra money I was able to make, and this is including the cash and the card. So I do cash out the apps that only allow you to cash out via gift card. I cash those out with Amazon, and there's just a personal preference. Each app has their own variety of gift cards and ways you can cash out the money. If they allow you to cash out with PayPal, then I consider that cash, and I just cash out with PayPal and I transfer that to my bank account. And if they don't allow you to do PayPal, I pick Amazon, as I just stated. But they have a variety of restaurants, different stores, and it just depends on the platform. But they usually have a large variety of gift card options that you can use to cater to whatever your heart desires. So, are y'all ready? It was a pretty good month for extra money. And for the month of March, bring a total of $120 $29.42. So yay, yay, yay. I was able to make a purchase on Amazon for a couple things that I needed for myself. And that is the way I am able to stretch my budget and not spend as much on items that I want or need by cashing in these apps for gift cards. So yeah, y'all. And for credit card rewards, I did give y'all an update in one of my videos I recorded last week, but at the close of the month, and I will insert a screenshot, and I was able to bring in a total of $42.50 in cash rewards from a rollover from 2023 and for 2024. So $42.50 is what I have thus far for the first quarter of 2024. And if you are new here, I do use my cash rewards from my credit card to help me pay for Christmas. Last year, I was able to pay for both of my nephews' Christmas gifts and my baby nephew birthday gifts and a few other little gifts with just credit card rewards. Now, I do not incur any interest charges on any of the things that I charge. I mainly just charge my bills, and I make sure that those are paid off. So if you are not responsible with credit cards, then don't do this. But if you are responsible, I can Capital One Quicksilver. So this is $42.50. This is probably enough to buy enough gifts right now if I wanted to for both of my nephews for Christmas, or for their birthdays, whatever I want to do. Yeah, y'all, this is what I was able to make, and I am super, super excited and appreciative that I was able to make some moves that I've been wanting to make with this income, because I did make enough money from my main income budget this month. If you're interested in that video, I will have that link up above. I did go over that last week. So y'all, find any motivation in the content that I share, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you. And don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.